Virgo. Hi and welcome to your love reading for the rest of the month of April. This is a general love reading and it may or may not resonate with each one of you watching. So you can watch other readings according to your sun, moon and rising placements in your chart. In this reading, we will look into the recent past, current situation and the near future, and will clarify for more details. Finally, we will ask for advice from the universe. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if the reading resonates with you. Okay, and please feel free to switch the roles according to your situation. Gender doesn't matter. It can be like masculine can call for the feminine and feminine can call for the masculine. So let's start the reading, Virgos. Here I am getting Six of Swords, Star and the World in the past situation, and the present is Six of Cups, the Hierophant, Nine of Wands. In the recent, near future, we have Three of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Four of Cups. Okay, the overall energy here is the Devil, and the bottom of the deck is the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, what I can see from the reading here is I am considering this as your side, this as your personal side, and the situation is in the middle. So you can switch the roles, Virgo. And here we have the Six of Swords. Someone is moving away from a situation which was burdening and which was very heavy. World card, yes, there is some kind of ending and resulting in a new beginning, and something is coming to, it's getting wound up. It is like things are coming to a closure here in this situation, in this side, and in the center of the reading is the Hierophant. Okay, there is a marriage in question here, which maybe you are married to this person, and this was a wish fulfillment in the past for you. Both were like looking forward to it. Right now you are in Six of Cups, Hierophant and Nine of Wands energy. Your person is standing their grounds, holding up. They are wounded. Nine of Cups, yes, they're still they're defending themselves against things which are odd, which are not in their favor, and maybe there are a lot of people who are trying to bring them down, trying to tell them that this is not how it should be happening, and okay, this is a past life or maybe marriage. I can see that the center of the reading is Hierophant. Some kind of contract is in question, maybe a marriage contract or maybe a business contract also. It can be, it is not, but yes, as it's I think this is a love reading. So in the near future, it is Three of Pentacles, want to work things, and the King of Pentacles and the Four of Cups. Your person is not very hopeful, and they are not responding to whatever you want, but I think this is your energy, Virgo, and they want to collaborate, they want to come towards you, and they are very hopeful about this situation. Seven of Cups, they think you have a lot of options. There is something deceptive about this that you can't see right now, because the Devil card here shows me that yes, there are some addictions which are holding them back. There is something that is not making them happy. They're kind of in a depression or something like it can be you also, or maybe you're drinking too much. Yes, the Four of Cups is like too depressed and drinking you are not very hopeful about this situation, but yes, they want to charge in, or you want to give this offer to them. Yes, you see a potential here, you want to work things up, or I mean, please feel free to switch the roles. I can see that one side is moving away from somewhere, some situation, some family dynamics, and they want to collaborate with you. King of Pentacles in this situation is, this is a very this can be a very happy union, and this looks like uh, they are a very stable person for you, and this situation is very stable. And let's clarify first what we'll clarify. We'll clarify the Six of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Nine of Wands. Let's see what in the current situation, why is the Six of Cups here. Okay, so we have the Empress, the Tower, and the Page of Cups. Okay, there is something which is crumbling down, and you are and the Empress, they think very highly of you. You are their one and all, like they you are the Empress for them. You complete them kind of energy, and they want to, yes, this is a married situation, and you may be like childhood sweethearts, or maybe you must have studied in college or something like together, and they want to bring in this offer. Yes, this is the offer of a page to an Empress. Yes, it's a very small offer which is in question. Okay, let's clarify the Hierophant. We have the Judgment, yes, and the Ace of Pentacles. Again, we have this very solid offer with the Judgment card on the Hierophant card. Definitely a divorce situation here, strong divorce situation. Judgment with Hierophant is okay. There is a marriage getting dissolved. It may be your marriage, it may be a marriage of your person. There is something getting dismantled here, the breaking of because this Tower card definitely tells me that something is breaking up and someone is making an offer to this Empress. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Wands here. We have the Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. Very nice. I mean, all the three what I have clarified is an offer of a very passionate love offer. Again, I have this Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. Again, I can see the Page of Cups and now the Ace of Cups. Divine intervention, definitely divine intervention. The Judgment and the Tower. This is your spirits and guides are intervening. Gods are helping you to go ahead in this relationship. This may not take much of time, but let's see what is the near future. Clarifying the Three of Pentacles. Clarifying the Three of Pentacles is Five of Pentacles, feeling out in the cold, and here is Two of Pentacles, juggling. Okay, in the future, this is happening right now, and still you are feeling this feeling out in the cold because of this. And let's see. Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles is clarified by the Five of Cups and the Queen of Swords. Clarity coming towards you. The Four of Cups is like not believing in the divine, and again the Four of Cups here, also the Four of Cups. The Four of Cups is clarified by the Ten of Pentacles, of course, and the High Priestess. You are being asked to listen to your intuition here. High Priestess is, yes, some secrets are not revealed yet. They are about to. And yes, divine intervention is strongly seen here, and they need to come out of this four of swords energy. They have to, like, again the four of cups is like they are indulging themselves into drinking or some devilish addictions, or maybe you are doing that, not looking into this high priestess and the 10 of pentacles. This is the future, this is the outcome. Again here also the center of the energy is ace of pentacles and the judgment. Definitely a very positive outcome is coming for you. There is or maybe you are getting a divorce, they are getting a divorce. They are coming out of the situation and they are coming towards you as a knight of pentacles. Or maybe you are going to make an offer to them after coming out of the situation, which the high priestess is like things which are hidden, they don't know about it. And because maybe you're not talking to each other, they don't know what exactly is happening in your life, what exactly is going on. And that is the reason this every time the four of cups energy is popping up, the two of pentacles, they are trying to juggle whether to move forward or to wait for you. This is like feeling out in the cold, like they, because of the no communication factor, they are feeling out in the cold. And the two of pentacles, should I move on, should I not move on? They are very strong energy. Yes, so this may be, you may be feeling this, or your person may be feeling, and one of you are going to make this offer towards other one. And the high priestess energy, some things are going to come out. Okay, the I can see the card here, true love. This is a romance of a lifetime. I'll take this card and now I'll shuffle because I could see it, and maybe the spirits wanted me to. You deserve love, you are lovable. Definitely a very positive reading, Virgo. I can see that lot of heartbreak. Yes, you are feeling left out in the cold. Maybe you are, let's see what is the advice. Let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. Just don't be in this five of pentacles energy. Go out, have fun. Life is not going to end. There are always there's always hope. This is not the end of the story. This is a reading for a short period, and I'm sure this is the 10 of pentacles is something very good coming out of this. The outcome is very good. The pentacles, knight of pentacles is a very stable offer. This knight may be slow, but he is very focused and he knows what he wants. He is not going to just be there and go off. No, he is that this offer is going to last. Okay, one more card I'll pull out for you, Virgos. Let's see what is here. Okay, reconciliation. Of course, this reading is shouting of reconciliation, screaming of reconciliation. Someone from the past is returning to your life very much. Six of Cups it was telling me that it is someone from your past is returning to your life. Very nice reading, Virgos. Don't lose hope. And your 10 of Pentacles is just around the corner. You have to wait. The night is taking time for you to move towards you. Don't indulge yourself into things which you might regret later. And you are asked to ask for help from your friends. There is no shame in telling them how sad you are or what you are feeling. Please talk to them. And reconciliation is coming for you. Don't you worry. Okay, Virgos, I will see you in the next reading. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment so that I can read them. Bye for now.